In this video, I'll show you how to add the featured section to your LinkedIn profile. The featured section on LinkedIn is a great way to highlight your best work right near the top of your profile. LinkedIn describes it as a place where you can showcase posts you have authored, articles you have published, plus external media, documents, and links. If you want recruiters, clients, or other professionals to notice your strongest content first, this is one of the best sections to use. To get started on desktop, sign into LinkedIn and go to your profile. In your introduction section, click Add Profile section, then open the recommended category and choose Add Featured. LinkedIn says this is the standard way to add the featured section if you have never used it before. If you are using the LinkedIn mobile app, the steps are very similar. Open your profile, tap Add section, then go to Recommended and choose Add Featured. After that, LinkedIn lets you select the kind of content you want to include in the section. Once the featured section is added, you can start putting content into it. LinkedIn says you can feature items such as posts, articles, links, documents, and other work samples. If the section already exists on your profile, you can scroll down to it, click or tap the add icon, and then choose Add Content from Profile to pin content that is already on your profile. This is especially useful if you want to highlight a portfolio item, a strong post, a presentation, a media mention, or anything else that represents your professional value. The good thing is that LinkedIn says you can include as many samples of your work as you want, and you can manage them anytime by adding or removing items. If you ever want to remove something, LinkedIn says you can edit the featured section and choose Remove from Featured under the item you no longer want displayed. It is worth reviewing this section from time to time, so it always reflects the work you most want people to notice. A simple tip is to feature only your strongest and most relevant content instead of adding everything. That keeps the section clean and makes a better first impression. This is an inference based on LinkedIn's description of the featured section as a curated place to showcase the work you are most proud of. That's how to add the featured section to your LinkedIn profile. Open your profile, add the featured section from the recommended category, and then showcase the posts, links, and work samples you want people to see first. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.